all of these cute little sweater tops with one little string, sort of 90s-ish style. And I saw a few DIYs on how to do it, and I thought, you know, I might as well give it a try. I'm gonna do it with this black top, and I might try it with one other one depending on how this comes out. But this is just like a plain black sort of crew neck, turtleneck sort of top, long sleeves. It's longer. I'm gonna make it shorter. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Hopefully it comes out good and I can wear it out. Hope you guys like this, and if you want to see how to do it, keep watching. Here is the finished product. I think it looks cute. I would have probably made the drawstrings not right at the top, maybe in the middle a little bit more so it could pull together closer in the middle, but otherwise I really like it. I think it came out adorable. I was thinking about cutting the sleeves off, but I'm gonna leave them on because I do like the way the sleeves look. It's cute, it's so cute. I think I might try it with another top that's a different material. This one's a very stretchy fabric, and the neckline comes like a little lower, so I did cut the neck part off. This came out very cute. I'm excited to wear it. I don't know, now seems like a really good time to wear it because the temperatures are like in between. So it's long sleeve, it's a little bit warm, but it still has the opening to make it a little bit more, you know, spring, summerish. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to see how to do everything. It was really simple. It was basically just cutting the bottom off, cutting up the middle of it, and using the bottom straps to make a strap that you sew together at the top, tie it together in a bow, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you next Friday with another Friday DIY. Bye guys. Let me just talk about how the bottom of this top that I cut, you can turn it into like, you can have like two tops. It's cute. And it's not even like it's a raw edge. The material of this was perfect.